Humla is considered as one of the most remote yet surrounded by beautiful places in Nepal. It is not connected by any roads. So, to reach Humla, flight is only the option. Humla is such remote place that there are very limited health facilities. So, Tilganga Eye Hospital team and Seva Foundation made a decision to do an eye camp at Humla in order to help people of Humla. Camp was going to be held in 2 rural municipalities at Simkot and Namkha rural municipalities. And people of Humla eagerly waiting for the camp. There were lots of people suffering from cataract, and many were unable to see for years. So, Dr. Govinda Paudyal, leading from the front, decided to come to Humla to cure all the patients. All the team finally landed to Simkot, and people of Simkot welcomed the whole team. First camp was about to take place at Simkot. Many people from different villages come to the camp for eye checkup. Among many patients, our eye cut on Dhanasara Sahi, aged 86, could not see for 1.5 years. Her both eyes were suffering from cataract. She was brought to the camp by her son. She could not walk or do other work without the help of her family. She was nervous and excited. Finally, it's time for her operation. Her eyes were successfully operated by Dr. Paudyal and need to wait for a long day. Finally, the day has come to reveal her eyesight. Now she could see for the first time. She was very happy to see all the people in front and beautiful scene of Simkot. Like Dhanasara, many cataract patients were happy and there were all smile on the faces of patient and their relatives.
simkot ma hijo एक दिन सर्जरी भयो पुरा दिन यसमा चाहिँ करिब 50 जनाको अपरेसन भयो र यिनीहरू प्राय अलमोस्ट सबै मोतीबिन्दु भएका बिरामीहरू अनि धेरै उमेरका व्यक्तिहरू हुनुहुन्छ महिलाहरू धेरै जसो अनि उनीहरू यहाँबाट काठमाडौँ गएर उपचार गर्ने त्यस्तो क्षमता पनि आर्थिक रूपले त्यस्तो नभएका व्यक्तिहरू धेरै जसो देखिए र उनीहरू अत्यन्त आवश्यक भएको देखेँ मैले कतिपय बिरामीहरू बिल्कुल नदेख्ने दुईटै आँखा.
After 3 days of successful surgery, the whole team are ready to head to Albang Namkha rural municipality.
Second side camp.
The destination was quite difficult. The road was quite rough. On the way, whole team enjoyed at Chanchara waterfall and was having photo session. With lots of obstacles, the team finally reached to Albang. At Albang, grand welcoming was given. After the welcoming, camp was finally started. There were lots of peasants from different villages. Among them, Mingyur Lama aged 68 from Ari was really heart-touching. He could not see for 4 years. He was so desperate to see that, he says, I can give any money to make his eyesight, even it was a free camp. He was brought to the camp by his relatives by jeep. Now it's time for surgery. After the surgery, he said he did not feel pain at all because he was really excited. He also needs to wait for a long night to reveal his eyesight. Finally, the day has come. We saw for the first time after long years.
अनि कति दिन लाग्यो यहाँ आइपुग्नलाई? एक दिन 2 दिन हो? 2 दिनमा दुई बोकेर ल्याएको.
Thanks to Dr. Govinda Paudyal and Tilganga Eye Hospital team, who brought lots of smile to the patients like Mingyu. All the patients and their relatives were in tears. Everyone were emotional. Everyone gave blessing to the team of Tilganga and especially to Dr. Govinda Paudyal. The camp was successfully ended and everyone was satisfied with the service given by the Tilganga team.